Yeah,
Are you collecting money? I don't know. Just want
for food.
Here you go. Is it enough?
Why do you give it to me? You don't know me.
You want something to eat?
What's your name?
Elsa.
Thank you.
Sorry, I cannot help you more.
Where are you from?
I'm from Eritrea, East Africa.
I want to give it back to you.
You said you're hungry.
I can't take your money.
Please.
Do you have kids?
3.
I want to give you the money back.
Have coffee.
I don't need the money because I'm not actually homeless.
What
You were
are you doing here? Cold.
the first person who was kind to me. I have $1,000 for you
For what?
for being kind to me.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I love you.
Thank you. Then I'll help somebody else too. So I'm going to pay for your grocery.
What?
Is that
Seriously?
okay? Yeah. I have $100 for
maybe
5.
five.
Be kind to other people, okay? I just want to share for you for the Ramadan. $100 for you.
Thank you.
Okay, happy Ramadan. I got $100 to give it to you guys.
Are you joking?
No, I'm not joking.
It's her
Happy,
birthday too, so.
happy birthday!
And she is a cancer survivor.
Oh.